back to my channel. Today we are going to bake the all-time favorite banana cake. Who could resist a piece of soft, light and moist banana cake of all time? This is going to be the best banana cake that you've ever tasted. Trust me, once you've tried this, you will never go back to any other store-bought banana cake. Best of all, this is going to be a super easy recipe to follow and anybody can make it at home. So, let's get started. First of all, prepare the ingredients as followed. Now, you want to use overripe bananas. These bananas tend to give out a stronger natural flavor, and that makes your banana cake even tastier. Well, the secret to soft and light banana cake is this. It's different from the usual cake where you cream your butter first. In this recipe, beat your eggs first in low-medium speed for about 2 minutes. Then, increase your speed to medium-high and mix until foamy. When your eggs batter has become pale color and foamy like this, slowly add in your sugar. Then continue beating at low-medium speed until well cooperated. Next, add in your mashed bananas and mix well. On the other hand, in a clean bowl, combine the self-raising flour with salt and baking powder and give it a good mix. Add in your vanilla essence, then your mixed flour alternating with the melted butter. At this stage, you just want to mix all the ingredients until just combine. You don't want to overmix it, or else the air in your eggs batter will deflate. Then, pour your batter into a lined cake pan. Here I'm using a common 9-inch loaf pan. Pop your cake into the preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Oh, it smells so good every minute it's baking. I've made some lemon drizzle to go on top of my cake. It's just simply mixing a 1/4 cup of icing sugar with 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Ta-da! Softest, fluffiest, and tastiest banana cake that you've ever tasted. Trust me, once you've tried this, you will never go back to any other store-bought banana cake. Look, even my cousins say it's good. Try it! It's definitely not your usual banana cake. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.